Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the wide half double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Then make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. For row 2, we're going to be working half double crochet stitches like we did in row 1. We're not going to be working into stitches. We're going to be working into the space between stitches. So you're going to make 1 half double crochet into each space between each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the wide half double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.